Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, HISWA. Friends, in this video session, we will discuss about couple of questions of exercise 10C. This is class 6, chapter number 10, unitary method. Because this chapter is ratio, proportional and unitary method. But we had covered the ratio, proportional. Okay, proportion. Now, this is the time to cover unitary method. And the last video session we had solved questions from 1 to 10 of unitary method. So this is the last session of unitary method, friends. Okay, so please see, let's get started. Here the question number 11 says the cost of 18 chairs is rupees 22,770. Okay, how many such chairs can be bought for 10,120? Now see friends, this is unitary type, most unitary methods. First we have to find the value of 1 unit, friends. But what about the 1 unit? Why 1 unit means first we have to find the chairs. We have to find the number of chairs in 1 rupee, means how the chairs get the in 1 rupee. Then we have to multiply this amount. Okay, now see, since in the 22,770 rupees the cost, the number of chairs फ्रेंड्स 18. दैट मीन्स 22,770 रुपये में कितने चेयर आती फ्रेंड्स? 18. और हम कह सकते हैं कि 18 चेयर की कीमत कितनी है? 22,770. ओके, नाउ इन 1 चेयर, इसलिए दिस इन 1 रुपी फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज रुपीज. सो इन 1 रुपी नंबर ऑफ चेयर 18 divided by 2, 770. Now therefore in this rupee 10,120 number of chairs is equal to this multiply by this 18 divided by 2770 multiply by friends, this is 10120. Now calculate and get the answer. So friends, 0 and 0 will get cancelled. Okay, and this will get cancelled by 11. Okay, so 11 to ja friends 22, 0 11 7 ja, this is 77. Now 11 101 friends, 11 9 ja 99, 2 is by 11 2 ja 90, 22. Okay, now friend, this write the 18 multiply by 92 divided by 207. So friends, 207 will get cancelled by 9. This is also get cancelled by 9. So 9 2 ja friends 18, so it becomes 27. Now 9 3 ja 27 and 9 2 ja 18. This is 23. Twenty-three 1 ja 23, 23 4 difference 92. So the 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. Hence we can say friends, the number of chairs in rupees 10,128. So this is answer. Now next question. Now here friends, see question number 12 says a car travels 195 km in 3 hours. First, how long will it take to travel 520 km first? And then second question is how far will it travel in 7 hours with the same speed? Very simple friends. First we have to find the value of 1 unit. So 1 unit means we have to find the value of 1 kilometer. So there are two here units friends. Here is the kilometer, and here is the hours. So first we have to find in 1 kilometer how much hours. Okay, then we have to multiply 520. Similarly, we have in the question number 2 we have to find the speed, the distance in 1 hour. Okay, then find the distance of 7 hours. Okay, in kilometer. So let us see one by one. Here a car travels 195 kilometer in 3 hours. Now first we have to find in 1 km. 1 km means 1 kilometer में सबसे पहले find करना friends. Now in a car, since a car travels 195 kilometer in friends is equal to 3 hours. Okay, now इसलिए therefore a car travels 1 km 3 divided by 105 hours. इसलिए therefore we need to find 520. इसलिए therefore a car travels 520 kilometer in how many hours? 3 by 195 multiply by friends this is hours. Okay, now solve friends. Here friends, here this number is ones place is 5, here is the ones place is 0. So the numbers having ones place 0 or 5 will get cancelled by 5. So both the numbers up and downwards will get cancelled by 5. Now see, and this 3 can easily divide this number because the sum of all digits, 3 digits is 15. 9 plus 5 14 or plus 1 15. So the number which is divisible by 15 means the whole number will be divisible by 3. Now this is 3 1 ja friends 3. This becomes 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 3, 5 ja 3, 3 6 ja friends 18, and here is 1 is balance becomes 5 and 3 5 ja. So 520 divided by 65. Now this both the numbers will get cancelled by 5 friends. 5 13 times will get cancelled. 5 1 ja 5, and this is 0 friends. 5 4 ja 20. Now friends, up is 104 and downward is 13. So how many times, if you read the tables of 13s, how many times 140 will get cancelled? This is 8 times, maybe 17 13 8 ja 8 times. So we can say this is 13 1 ja 13 and 13 8 ja 104. So this here 4 104 13 ja 100, this becomes 8 hours. So this is answer this question. Okay, I hope you will be clear. Now next one is, now see friends, question number sub question second, how far will it travel in 7 hours with the same speed? Okay, that means a car is traveling whatever the speed, so speed remains constant, do not change the speed. So in that situations the how far will it travel in 7 hours, मैं कहने का मतलब ये है कि 7 घंटे में ये कितनी दूरी जाएगी वो फाइंड करना, मीन्स डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना. सो हियर इज द 7 आवर मीन्स फर्स्ट वी नीड टू फाइंड इन 1 आवर, देन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7, वी विल गेट द आंसर. नाउ सी, सिंस फ्रेंड्स a car I can read in 3 hours, a car travels is equal to 195 kilometer. Okay, so first we have find the 1 unit in 1 hour friends. A car travels 195 divided by friends, this is 3 km. Now therefore in 7 hours a car travels 195 divided by 3 multiply by friend, this is 7 because 1 में इतना तो 7 में multiply, this is kilometer. Now see friends, this 3 will get cancelled, this 195 will get cancelled by 3, so 3 1 ja 3, and how many times friends? 65 times. Just we have solved, because 3 6 are 18, 15 becomes 15, and 3 5 ja 15. Okay, 65 multiply by 7. Now multiply friend, 7 5 ja 35, 5 is here, 3 is balance, 7 6 are 42, plus 3, 42 plus 7 5, 3 is balance, and 45. Now see friends, after multiplying 65 with 7, we will get 455 kilometer. This is required solution. Now see the next. Now see friends, question number 15 says, if 48 boxes contain 6000 pens, how many such boxes will be needed for 1875 pens? First, in this question friends, first we have to find in one pen. So one pen means, then multiply these numbers and we will get the answer. Now here friends, since for 6000 pens we need 48 boxes, need 48 boxes. So find, इसलिए therefore for one pens we need 48 divided by 6000 boxes. Now therefore for 1875 pens के लिए we need 48 divided by 6000 multiplied by 1875. Now calculate friends and you get the answer. This is, here the ones place is 0 and here the ones place is 5, so both the numbers will get cancelled by 5. So cancel both the numbers by 5, then see whatever the numbers, if it will be and the new numbers obtained here will also cancel by 2, and this is also cancelled by 2. So I hope friends you can solve this and find out the answer after calculating. Okay, now see friends, question number 16. Here the 24 workers can build a wall in 15 days. How many days will 9 workers take to build a similar wall? Okay friends, first we have to find in one, then find the required number of units. यहाँ पे कह रहा फ्रेंड्स, एक दीवार को बनाने के लिए 24 वर्कर लगे हैं, कितना समय ले रहा? 15 डेज. ओके फ्रेंड्स, हाउ मेनी डेज, तो कितने समय लगेंगे? 9 वर्कर्स टेक द बिल्ड द सेम. तो उस दीवार को बनाने के लिए अगर 9 वर्कर जुड़ जाएं तो कितने समय लगेंगे? ओके फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा एक रिवर्स प्रोसेस फाइंड आउट करेंगे फ्रेंड्स, रिवर्स टू प्रोपोर्शनल. अगर ज़्यादा आदमी एक ही काम को मिल के करेगा फ्रेंड्स तो समय कम लगेगा, और उसी काम को करने में अगर कम आदमी लगेगा तो समय क्या होगा? वो ज़्यादा लगेगा. यहाँ पे ये ध्यान देना है. नो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, फर्स्ट राइट वी नीड टू फाइंड फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज 9, वी नीड टू फाइंड हाउ मेनी डेज, मीन डेज फाइंड करना है. Will 9 workers take to build a similar wall? Okay, now first friends, see, since 24 workers, WORKERS, so 24 workers can build, BUILD, can build a wall in 15 days friends. This is given and we have copied over here. Okay, only Now friends, first इसलिए therefore one worker, okay, in one worker can build a wall. How many days friends? Remember, 24 लोग जब यहाँ पर हैं तो काम को करने के लिए 15 दिन लग रहे हैं. जब एक ही व्यक्ति रहेगा, जब एक आदमी रहेगा, तो उसी काम को करने में ज़्यादा समय लगेगा. ओके फ्रेंड्स, ज़्यादा समय मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई करना. इफ़ वी नीड मोर मीन्स फ्रेंड्स, इफ़ यू फाइंड मोर देन वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. रिमेंबर फ्रेंड्स, बिकॉज वी हैड डिस्कस इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो लेक्चर इतना डेज. और सोचने वाली बात है, जब ज़्यादा व्यक्ति काम मिलकर करेंगे तो काम को समय कम लगेगा, जब कम व्यक्ति करेंगे तो समय ज़्यादा लगेगा. ओके, मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, ज़्यादा मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई. इसलिए देयरफॉर अब 9 व्यक्ति, अब जब ज़्यादा व्यक्ति आ जाएंगे तो डिवाइड दे देंगे 9 से. 9 वर्कर्स, WORKER, 9 वर्कर्स कैन बिल्ड अ वॉल, द सेम वॉल फ्रेंड्स. 15 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 24 डिवाइडेड बाई 9 डेज. एक वर्कर इतना तो 9 वर्कर कम मीन्स फ्रेंड्स डिवाइड करना हो. कम मीन्स डिवाइड. इफ़ वी नीड लेस we have to divide. If we need more, we have to multiply. Remember. Now 3 ja friends 9, 3 5 ja friends 15, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 8 ja 24. So 5 multiplied by 8 becomes 40. Here is days. I hope friends you will be get. Now see friends, question number 18, the same as question number 16 and 17 as well. Now see friends, in an army camp there were provisions for 550 men for 28 days, but 700 men attended the camp. How long did the provisions last? Suppose मान लेते फ्रेंड्स एक कैंप में 550 एक कैंप में सपोज एक भोजन तो खाना ओके कैपेसिटी है 550 आदमी के लिए कितना 28 डेज का है. ओके, तो कह रहा है कि अगर 700 उसके अंदर अटेंड कर जाए 700, तो वो प्रोविज़न कब तक लास्ट होगा, यानी कितना दिन लगेगा समय. ओके, जब 700 में आ जाएंगे तो. नाउ सी फ्रेंड्स, इन राइट फर्स्ट सेंस फॉर 550 मैन, फॉर 550 मैन provision for the 500, write down the since provisions for 550 men. Number of days friends, time days 28. okay, now in first में provision for 1 man friends, 1 man के लिए कितना होगा 1 man, the days friends 28 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 550. जब ज़्यादा आदमी रहेंगे तो वो चीज़ें कम समय तक चलेगी, जब कम आदमी रहेंगे तो चीज़ें क्या होगी ज़्यादा लंबे समय तक चलेगी. ओके, नाउ फ्रेंड्स सिंस इसलिए देयरफॉर provisions for how many friends 700 men, provisions for 700 men, because 700 men is attended. So days friends, number of days 28, 550, 700 है ज़्यादा है तो फ्रेंड्स वो क्या कम समय तक चलेगी, इसका मतलब डिवाइड देंगे. नाउ here friends 1010 will get cancelled, 7 10 जा 7 4 जा, so here 4 multiply by 55 divided by this is 10, 5 2 जा 5 1 जा 5 1 जा and 2 1 जा and 2 2 जा, so 11 2 जा 22 days. This is answer. I hope you will be clear. Now next, so see friends, last question number 19 says a given quantity of rice is sufficient for 60 persons for 3 days. How many days would rice for 18 person? कह रहा है कि दिए गए क्वांटिटी एक राइस है, राइस जिसकी सफिशिएंट यानी 60% के लिए सफिशिएंट है, जो कितने दिनों तक चलेगी 3 डेज. ओके, कह रहा है कि यदि इफ़ हाउ मेनी डेज कितने समय कितना दिन वुड राइस फॉर 18% के लिए वो चावल कितने दिनों के लिए चलेगा. ओके, नाउ सिंपल फ्रेंड्स, फर्स्ट फाइंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द 1 person, देन मल्टीप्लाई 18. नाउ हियर फ्रेंड्स for 60 persons The time is given, the number of days friends, number of days. So number of days friends 3 days. Okay, 3 days for 16% people. 60 for 60 peoples के लिए sufficient कितनी है? 3 दिनों के लिए. Okay, number of. Now friends first find for 1 person के लिए क्या होगा? Number of days 3 friends multiply by 16 days. सोचने वाली बात सिंपल है, जब 60 लोग हैं, 60 लोग, तो वो तीनों दिनों के लिए क्या होगा? वो चावल कितने दिनों के रहेंगे? राइस 3 डेज के लिए. ओके, जब एक आदमी रोजाना अगर खाएगा, सपोज एक आदमी के लिए वो चावल वो राइस कितने समय तक चलेगी? लंबे समय तक. लंबे मीन्स इफ यू फाइंड लॉन्ग, इफ यू फाइंड मोर फ्रेंड्स वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. सो दिस इज वी मल्टीप्लाई हियर. इफ यू फाइंड लेस मीन्स डिवाइड. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, इसलिए देयरफॉर फॉर we have to find the for 18%, 18 people, 18 persons. For 18% friends, number of days. 18% means एक आदमी के लिए था, तो 18 के लिए क्या होगा? कम हो जाएगा. Divide by 18. This is days. Now either this is number of days. This is friends 6 3 जा 3 1 जा 3 3 6 जा 18 and 6 1 जा 6 16. So here is the 10 days. This is required answer. That means we can say there are 10 days would rise for 18 person. Okay, कितना समय हो जाएगा? 10 days. तो 18 आदमी अगर आ जाएंगे तो कितने? 3 दिनों के, सॉरी 10 दिन वो चावल सफिशिएंट होगा 10 दिन के लिए. So your homework friends, question number 11 to 19. 11 to 19. This is your homework. If you have any doubt, confusion, comment in the comment box below. Have a nice day.